Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So first, what you guys need to do is clean out the microphone port, and the best way to do that is by getting a soft brush. So whenever you try to use something metallic, then you will simply have many problems, including even damaging of the port at worst. So you definitely do not want to do that. Now you want to make sure that it's something non-metallic. And now, after trying and cleaning that out from dust or debris, you guys can go over and wait for the system to load. Now we're gonna check if our microphone is working. So you guys can check it in the either voice recorder app. So you guys can go over here and go to recorder app, or just call somebody. So I'll click get started. Now allow the notifications and I'll keep it offline. Now click not now, and as you guys can see, we can start the recording like that, and we can see that our microphone is now working. So I can be quiet for a while, and now it's not moving, but whenever I talk, then it does move. So this is how we exactly know that this works. Here you also got the transcript to see if the recording actually captures your voice perfectly. So that's how you guys can do that. Now I'll stop the recording, and now the recording is stopped. And after that, after checking the mic in the voice recorder app, if it's still not working for you, then what you guys can do is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to the settings, and right here in the settings we want to go over to the system. Now here in the system we want to click on software updates, and here click on system update. As you guys can see, I have the system update available, but I am in the battery saving mode and my battery is low, so I cannot update it right now. It's 600 megabytes for me, and as you guys can see, it fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of our device. So it's worth to update it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.